I wonder why new developments being built make it a priority to remove the native plants from the areas and plant all invasive species that don't grow here or there. I wonder why they do that. I wonder why they're killing the dandelions when it's one of the most beneficial plants on the planet and can survive in almost any environment. But they've taken a special interest into developing specific pesticides to wipe out the dandelions. And by the way, those pesticides also cause cancer in humans. Kind of like the clothing that we wear and have been wearing for many years now that have mixtures of polyester, rayon, and other products that they're not natural products. They're actually the byproducts of making plastic and making other synthetic materials that we build everything with while cutting down and destroying the life that's on this planet, the life that actually gives living beings the ability to maintain life and quality of life. Huh. Sometimes it'll take 50 to 100 years for the whole ecosystem to collapse because the native plants have been removed and replaced by a bunch of invasive species from different areas that don't usually congregate together. So, they can't form their own web of coherence within that ecosystem. So it just chaotically collapses, all the while destroying habitats of animals that have no voice and nowhere to go. So they're now in your backyard causing chaos to you, and you feel like you need to do something to get rid of them when you moved into their home. So now you are wrestling and fighting with your aggression and your anger and frustration of the world. You're taking that out on nature, which is the one true thing that you really are. How did humanity allow the powers that were to have such control that they actually undid what was necessary for life, to sustain life? Just a thought.